Merry meet everybody. This is Pushti Shiv Shakti with your weekly reading. I hope you've had a great weekend. I always ask you that. I've had a very revealing weekend. I've had a weekend where I've seen the truth of certain things, and I've also had a strong weekend where I've been able to tell people things that I really need to tell them. And yeah, Sunday, how they behave does not really affect because I was strong in my grounding. So I hope you had a similar and stronger weekend. Okay, so let's go on to the week now. Monday and Tuesday. It's the Seven of Wands. Yes, you're probably under a certain amount of pressure, but the good thing is that you're keeping above that pressure. And the fun part is what you think is trying to come at you and trying to pressure you more is just exactly what you're holding dear to you. So basically, you are being pressured by the ability or by the potential of the ability of gaining more of what you have. Okay, that might be confusing. So let me just put it like this. It's like you have a really beautiful diamond necklace, okay? And you have about 40 more diamonds, like extra diamonds, and you're getting pressured wondering, what do I do? How do I fit them in there? And I have to put them right there. I can't put them in another necklace or even a earring or anything of that sort. That's what's happening. So you're just getting pressured by the same diamonds that you already have in your necklace. Well, the idea here is maybe you can change the design of your necklace or become flexible enough to create a new necklace or a pair of earrings or maybe a bracelet, whatever it is. But the idea is whatever you're getting stressed by is exactly what you hold very dear to you, because that is the energy that is driving you. So change your perspective, take a look at what exactly it is that is getting you all, oh my God, and you might realize it's not that difficult. Okay? When you do that, Wednesday, once the energy is sorted, the mind starts functioning, and it's a page of swords. You have ideas upon ideas upon ideas, and it's going crazy. You're running with these ideas, and they're so very beautiful. They are, they have you like really going ahead, and they have you being confident in yourself, and they have you discussing it with the whole world, which is the most beautiful thing, because you have sorted something out. Now you're going to tell people how you sorted out because it might help them, and you're going forward with what's happening. You have the ideas, it's time to make the plans. And Thursday, Friday, ta-da! The Hierophant, there's a blessing. And this time I feel like the blessing is a group of people who will be with you to share these ideas with you and maybe take them places now, because it's very important that you get into a group and not just try and do this solo. Group energy is usually better energy because you get all sorts of perspectives from each side. You don't have to do this by yourself. And please remember, we are human beings. We are social beings. We need to be with people. Sharing our thoughts with people, taking in their input, all of that is an extremely important and growth-oriented strategy for us. It does not mean we have to do exactly what the other person tells you to do, but yes, you can take in their ideas and a mix and match of your ideas and their ideas and all of that. Now this is what is called a mastermind, where you have people who are there. They've got your back. When you start losing hope in yourself, they get up and say, no, I believe in you and I know you can do this. And when that happens, you're going places, really going places. So the idea is to structure your mastermind, Thursday, Friday. Get your mastermind, structure it, and really just start looking forward with them. That is the most amazing thing. This is a very beautifully progressive week. And let's see what the unicorns have to say. Well, I'll read it out to you. Let go of stress. Don't take on other people's stress. Breathe it out now. Right, now whatever that you are going through the entire week, it does sound like it can be stressful. But the point the unicorns are making here is that, is it your stress or is it someone else's stress? It's important that you figure that out. Once you figure that out, it'll be easier to deal with it, because sometimes we're so involved with people, we think, oh my God, it's my stress. It may not be. It may be that person's stress. And that might just be able to, get it out of your system, and you don't have to take all that stress, don't have to keep it. Well, you can help them out if you want to, but the fact is you don't have to carry that stress. It's not yours. So don't carry other people's burdens. Help them carry their own burdens and let them sort it out for themselves. This is a great service you can do for them. Because today you're carrying their stress, tomorrow someone else may be carrying their stress, but they may never carry their own stress. And the time they have to, oops, they might be in trouble. So instead of having them in trouble like that at some point later, I think you can do them a great service by showing them how to carry their own stress, because you are strong enough to do it and you know it. Have a great week, you guys, and tell me how you feel in the comments below. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.